Hi there, Wally Wells with Next Wave Boat and Yacht Sales. I'm here today to show you this 2020 Azimut 51 Atlantis. This boat was originally sold on the Great Lakes and was brought to Lake Lewisville in 2022, so it's a freshwater boat with less than 200 hours and very well maintained. The boat is equipped with twin Volvo Penta D8 600 horsepower IPS 800 diesel engines with joystick control and a bow thruster. During our sea trial, the vessel reached full RPMs and full speed. The power plant is a Nonan 17 kW generator with 315 hours. At the transom, you'll find a hydraulic swim platform. There's also a tender garage for a tender or jet ski. In addition, there's a Kenyan electric grill on the transom that folds down. Underwater lights. Access to the bow is from both port and starboard side. Also at the stern and just behind the cockpit seating, there's a huge sun lounge for those in your party who would like to get some sun. There's a huge L-shaped sofa to port with a large dining table, which with a flip of a switch you can raise it or lower it. To starboard, there's a small sofa with a pop-up TV behind it. Also in the cockpit is a food preparation station, which includes a sink, a refrigerator, and ice maker. At the helm station, we find these attractive dual helm bucket seats with flip-up bolsters. The dash has all the electronics and controls easily in reach of the helmsman. You'll find Garmin twin touch screen displays, which is equipped with a FLIR system, a sound system, and radar. Also, the Seakeeper controller, spotlight, and 2 AC vents and defroster for the windshield. The visibility from the helm station is excellent with the large one-piece windshield. There's a skylight overhead and 2 side windows for ventilation. At the bow, you'll find a plow anchor with an electric anchor windlass below deck, covered by a flush-mounted anchor well hatch. There are 2 large sun lounges at the bow with a canopy, drink holders, and speakers. Inside the boat, the interior is a 3-cabin, 2-head arrangement, and all of it meticulously handcrafted in amazing Italian style, featuring a variety of surfaces, fabrics, and finishes, highlighted with an abundance of indirect lighting. In the salon, there's a large U-shaped sofa with an expandable dining table, storage lockers overhead, and this area is accessed from the cockpit by a beautiful backlit stairway. There are 2 large windows in this area that usher in a tremendous amount of light, and both windows are equipped with opening ports for ventilation. The galley is equipped with Miele appliances such as a cooktop stove and microwave. There's a large upright refrigerator freezer with an exterior finish to match the decor. Opposite the refrigerator is a pantry and spice rack. There are several lockers above and below the galley sink. The master stateroom is forward and has a large centerline island berth that's easily accessed from each side. The 2 large windows to port and starboard allow an abundance of light in this room, and each is equipped with an opening port. There's a drop-down vanity with a pull-out seat and 2 hanging lockers on each side. The private head features a vessel-style sink, electric head, separate shower stall, and a large window with an opening port. The VIP stateroom is on the starboard side aft and has a double berth which can be converted into 2 twin berths. There's a large vanity and mirror with storage lockers above and below. Forward of the bed, this room is equipped with a flat screen TV and hanging locker, and the room is well lit by another large window with an opening port. The third stateroom has over and under bunks, each with a flat screen TV, so this room is perfect for kids. In addition, it has another large hanging locker. The day head is just opposite the VIP stateroom and close to the companionway stairs. Like the master head, it too is equipped with an electric head, vessel-style sink, and separate shower stall. That wraps up this video for the 2020 Azimut 51 Atlantis. This is a beautiful boat with terrific Italian styling. Stored in a covered slip, low hours, professionally maintained by a captain. If you're interested in this boat, please call the number on the screen. And for Next Wave Boat and Yacht Sales, I'm Wally Wells. Thanks for watching.